Hello my beauties, I hope you guys are having a great day and I am super excited to be here with another video. If you guys did not see my previous video in English and you are used to just watching Spanish videos in this channel, which is Beautyjanette, don't be surprised to watch this one and be like, what the heck's going on? It's just that I decided to do most of the videos, if not all of my videos, in English and Spanish, just, to reach a bigger, wider audience. And it's not just for my sake, it's just that I feel that if I am able to provide any valuable information and I know both languages, why not do it in both languages? Let's jump right into this video because I know you're here to find out what are my favorite products lately, and it's not a lot of them. Okay guys, so let's start with this product that I was very skeptical of because I had a previous company, which I'm not going to mention any names because why? They sent me a shampoo and it dried my scalp, and therefore I had dandruff and I had to use Head and Shoulders for a little bit until I got back to like a regular shampoo. And right when I was gonna get back to a regular shampoo, my good friend, co-worker, that it's a fan of Thalia, and if you don't know Thalia, I'll put an image here. She's a Mexican actress and she also sings. But yes, so she has her own line of shampoo of like hair care, which is a shampoo conditioner, and she also has a dry shampoo that I have to go get because I love these products. I'm telling you, I take very good care of my hair. So the brand is Adria, which is, I think her middle name is Thalia or Thalia Adriana, I don't know, but it's by Thalia, and it's this pink with rose gold. They're very cute and everything, and I was like, okay, well, let's try them. And to my surprise, the first day I tried them, I was blown away because my hair, I feel for a long time, not really recently, but for a long time, I feel like it was a little frizzy and I wouldn't figure out why like my hair was frizzy. And like right now, I'm telling you guys, I didn't do anything to it. It's pretty much just the shampoo, it dried, and this is how my hair looks. And I noticed the first time I used it and it dried, I was like, oh my god, like my hair looks good, like it looks nice, it looks healthier, and then it just looks like it's not frizzy, or like my hair is a little big where I'm like embarrassed even that it dried and it was like that, it wasn't like, I feel like I don't even have to strain it anymore, unless I do want to like purposely strain it back. It does say it has coconut, agave, passion fruit, peony, avocado, and the next product that I am very happy I found, because if you haven't looked at my videos, my previous videos, when I am doing like makeup tutorials or something and I don't have makeup, I do have acne that would just pop out of nowhere here, and they'll be like the big ones and the hurtful ones, and I was like, oh my god. So I don't know if I just came upon this video looking for something like that had to do with acne, like video. Lupita Rios had this video where she swear that her face changed in 2 weeks of using this product, which is vitamin E face and body oil with aloe. So I used it and I was like, oh my god, life changer. Like the first week I was probably like, okay, so my face looks healthier and it does feel nicer the next morning, because I usually just put it in the night, before I go to sleep. A little bit before I go to sleep, because I don't want it to get, to the pills and stuff like that. Like I want to give my face a chance to like soak it up. So I used to, like in the night, and the next morning my face felt really good. But it was after, like 2 weeks that I was like, oh my god, like I noticed, like I'm not noticing the acne just popping out of like nowhere, So this was definitely a product that I've been using now for a good 3 months. Like I have been drinking fish oil also. It was right after this, but I know it has contributed to my face feeling better and those like acne just not popping out of nowhere, just literally out of nowhere. Like I understand when acne pops on your face because of your periods coming, whatever, your hormones, but literally every single week of the month, like what the heck, And last but not least is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, which is the ultra calming. If you guys haven't smelled this, it smells so good. But most importantly, it helps you if you have just that red face. I'm not sure how to explain it, but like if you have that red face, you know what I'm talking about, that any little thing just gets your face red, okay? This, if you guys just want to add an extra step, and not even an extra step because you already use moisturizer, this moisturizer is just gonna help you like tone down the red. Like I know I have a very thin skin, so you could even see my my veins, and they're like tiny red little things, right? So any little thing just gets them really red. I remember when I used to play soccer, and like obviously I was under the sun and like running like a lot, people would see me like, are you okay? Because I would get red, like whoa. So it wasn't like you go and you get sunburn red. Like I don't even get sunburn red. Like I just red as in like if I did an activity, if I was like screaming or singing, and like my face just gets red. Like this will definitely help you. Ultra calming. It just like helps you calm your face down. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, it has most importantly SPF 15. I feel it really moisturizes your face without like feeling greasy, because that's another thing with me. I usually have oily face, and I have yet to see so much oil on my face, like, because no, this is literally helping me. You know, I just feel like my skin soaks it up so good that I just don't feel it greasy. You know, like that means this is doing a good job at moisturizing my face. My beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys enjoyed these recommendations. If you guys need a new shampoo or moisturizer, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you think this could be valuable information to one of your friends, to anybody else, don't forget to share this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. And you know, if you want to learn some Spanish too, I have this video in Spanish, so go ahead and watch it. You know what I'm already talking about. How do I end my videos in English? See you guys next time. Bye.